asira Barozi Barozi ngwino arasanga wajya Barozi aramucitse urebe kubesha ngaho Barozi amucitse arahamagara Barozi ngwino arasa mu kirere ayo ngaba ndabareba kandabereke yewe muri hehe ko murasana muri mubiki ayo ndapfuye telefone arayikupa nka hapfuye
I need to find Gretchen.
Naero ndangira ari hehe Morgan Gretchen mugenzi wawe.
You gonna help me?
Ramfasha kumushaka.
Let me shoot you in the face.
Cyanga nkurase mu isura. Ndagufasha. Tibaga ati I will help you.
I'd like to talk to Don's self-superior, please.
Yamagaye yitonze ati mamagaye muri Homeland Security ndati yego. Navugana nuhagarariye Don Self cyameze nka hari superior wiwe. Kiyongozi.
We gave this guy something worth $100 million.
You see, even with
Datumva duhaye uyu musenzi imari ihagaze hafi miliyoni 100 z'amadolari.
You see a badge.
We were given guns and flown out on a C-130. He didn't work for the DMV.
Sasa mahoni nk'umuntu w'umuhanga yitonze ati niwe kandi bukamugana imbunda yaduhaye bwa mbere. Yaduhaye imbunda zimeze nka imbunda zari imbunda za Homeland Security. Stari zabo zari imbunda yamaze nkavanye ku isoko hano hanze zigurishwa. Buboro.
No, don't.
What if Homeland was in on this from the beginning?
Cyanga na mbere hose nagira ngibi Homeland yari birimo amambere hose ratubeshaga.
Who's this?
Kumanga uwitabye. Iyo mvise nameze nka harizi. Ni muzee Elise.
Hello.
Arakupa.
The way Self played this? No. He kept himself too insulated.
Ko bigaragara ko byose Self yarabipanze mbere hose ndetse agaragara ameze nka hatagenga abijyemo cyane aduhuza na Homeland Security.
That's why he hesitated with official.
Ni nayo mpamvu twavuze ngo dushakire inzandiko zimfunguza cyagiye mfunzwe akazibura kandi wibuke ko yabikora nkukoresheje ubasha yari afite nari bufungurwe bivuze ngo ntabwo yakoranaga na Homeland Security mbere hose.
On behalf of our mission. He kept saying it was because he didn't want the company to find out. In actuality,
ni nayo mpamvu kenshi yagiye avuga ngo mwitonde ngo kugira ngo nshake impapuro n'akamuntu nk'izi mukeneye byansaba kujya ku deposit henshi yagiye atandukanye ntibikunde.
The son of a bitch.
Ikigoryi yaratubeshye mbere hose yarayikoreraga gusaka amarira nkaho afite indi misiyo yo kuranda ameze nk'akurikirana yiwe ku giti cyo kwibanga.
Left the rest of us holding the bag.
If Homeland knows where we're at, sooner or later, they're coming for us.
Kandi ikindi niba Homeland izi ko turi ahangaha byanga byakunda ku mugundi ngo yanayiduteje bagiye kuzanga kudiga bagiye no kudufunga.
We have deals.
Ariko nyine dufite deal twagiranye na Homeland Security mbere hose natumva. Uri ikigoryi kwibeshya. We ufite impapuro hawe ziri vide ntabwo ufite ikindi kintu kigaragaza ko Homeland muziranye. Kuko ntabwo igeze nayo aguhuza nayo. Mwawuri imbere ndagiye kujyana ahantu tazi kujyanye hehe. Byose yari imipango yapanze mbere hose. Yitwaje ubasha hawe n'akazi.